What if I told you, your old toaster oven is costing you money and ruining your meals? After testing dozens of models, these 6 toaster ovens dominated 2025. One can air FRY better than an air fryer, another has a secret smart mode, it might replace your regular oven. All links below, let's find your perfect match. Starting at number 1. Breville Smart Oven Pro. This toaster oven can bake, broil, and toast with the best of them. It performed well in all of my tests. It delivered a golden slice of toast in 4 minutes, produced a nicely cooked pot pie, and demonstrated even heat distribution. Its generous capacity, you can roast a chicken in it, makes it well suited as a backup oven for daily cooking tasks. At almost 20 inches wide and 16 inches deep, this is a big OL appliance that will hog counter space. It's loud when the super convection fan is on. Number 2. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This oven sports a dial interface, making it easy to toggle between the many functions it offers, including toast and air fry. It's great that you can adjust the temperature and time while cooking, perfect if you need more time or want to blast the heat for the last few minutes. It toasted decently, though it does err on the side of pale, and air fried supremely well. Thanks to its super convection fan, French fries emerged golden and crunchy, and it made succulent air-fried chicken wings. While it does tend to produce pale toast, it's easy to up the time and get a darker shade, just turn the dial. Number 3. Breville Mini Smart Oven BOV 450 XL. This oven heated up fast. It took a little over a minute to preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the frozen pizza test. Said pizza turned out great, by the way, the crust crisped up nicely, and the cheese was gooey and golden. While it's a small oven, it easily fits 4 pieces of bread, all of which got nicely toasted. The up and down buttons for setting the temperature were easy to use, and the settings dial provided a good basic array of functions: cookies, reheat, bagel, pizza, toast, bake, broil, and roast. Overall, for under $160, this is a great toaster oven for someone who doesn't need anything fancy. The toast on the right side of the oven was paler than the bread on the other side. It is a small oven, so a 12-inch pizza won't fit inside. Number 4. Breville Smart Oven Compact Convection. This smaller model offers many of the features of our favorite Breville Smart Oven Pro without claiming as much countertop space. That said, it's still large enough to toast 6 pieces of bread at once and can fit a 12-inch pizza. It heated evenly, too. The pot pie came out golden brown and piping hot, and the heat map test didn't reveal any hot spots. The dials for changing settings, temperature, and time are easy and intuitive to use. While the full-sized Breville includes a stainless steel frame, the compact version features a solid glass door with exposed, hot edges. It also doesn't have an interior light. While it can fit 6 pieces of bread for toast, the bread on the edges emerged paler than the slices in the center. Number 5. Balmuda Steam Oven Toaster. The Balmuda toaster oven is beautiful and compact. Its streamlined functionality made it easy to use, and it excelled at evenly browning pieces of toast and broiling perfectly melted cheese. It is a steam oven, so you can use the included measuring cup to add a small amount of water through an opening in the top, allowing the oven to inject steam. This function can effectively revive stale bread or pastries, creating toast with a crispy exterior and a moist, bread pudding-like interior. The small footprint is great for saving counter space, but it also gives it a more limited capacity. It can only toast 2 slices of bread at a time. During testing, I had to cut a 10-inch pizza in half to fit it on the rack. While it's easy to use, the Balmuda uses analog controls that are less precise than a digital menu. Number 6. Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro. This is a spacious toaster oven. You could fit a 14-pound turkey in it if you wanted to, that baked, roasted, toasted, and air-fried well. It's been an editor favorite for years, and even won our review of countertop ovens, too. We like the add more time function and that we could set custom temperatures, like 373 degrees Fahrenheit, just for kicks. While we don't use the app a ton, Associate Editorial Director Ridley Jemperlinsgerm does find its reminders to flip or turn items quite useful. The toast function is a little spotty, literally, but it does a fine job. It's expensive. So which of these 2025 toaster ovens is your kitchen soulmate? Fight about it in the comments. If this saved you hours of research, pay me back with a like, share with a friend who needs this, and subscribe because we're just getting started with 2025's hottest kitchen tech. All purchase links are waiting in the description. See you in the next one.